Proverbs 18:22, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord.
Hey girl, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey, saying hey girl, hey. So, I know y'all saw I just did a short on YouTube and about having expectations. Stop having high expectations for these low vibrational bums. Okay, so when you have high expectations, so let's talk about relationships. When you meet someone and my makeup is on point today. When you meet someone and basically you think that they like you because they treat you nice, of course. They love bomb you at the beginning, which is like they tell you all these sweet nothings. That's basically to get you. That's what people do. That's what I think. That's the game. Like that's basically like the game what everybody does today. Like, okay, I meet this nice girl, this nice guy, I'm gonna pretend like I am what they are looking for. So they ask you. That's what they investigate. They try to pick your mouth. In the West Indies, we say pick your tongue. So like basically they want to make you say something about your intentions, your goals, whatever. So you're gonna say like, oh, I want a relationship, I want someone to treat me nice, I want someone that's faithful, I want someone that's gonna love me, yada yada, whatever you want. I want a partner that's gonna encourage me, motivate me, blah blah. I don't know what you want, or a family person, you know, family oriented person. I don't know what you people tell each other. You feel me? Everybody's different. So once you do that, then the person already knows the blueprint. So they like, okay, I'm gonna play this person. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna play them close because they want this and that. They know that's not what they are. They know they a hoe. They know that they want to play you. They know they want to use you. They want to mooch off of you, live with you, whatever. So they're gonna see how you move, how you operate. They're gonna mimic you. That's what they do. They're gonna find out what you like, what you don't like, and they're gonna like it too. Like I told you before, stop. Look. So when they finish pretending and people show you who they are and you ignore it, now the games really begin. So like they be like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna cheat on you anymore. Oh, I changed. Oh, baby this, baby that. Oh, please listen carefully. They don't love you. A person that says they love you in less than a month, please, that's not love. That's lust. So pay attention. And sex, that's just sex. It's just a body thing people do. So stop doing it thinking that's love. That's not love. Intercourse is not love. So stop it. Stop having, what is it? It's a saying. Stop having long-term feelings for temporary. Stop wasting temporary emotions on long-term. I don't know. It's something. I forgot it, but damn. It's something. I'm going to remember it and put it in the comments. Put it underneath here. So anyway, listen. So stop having high expectations. So basically when you have it, that's like if you go into the relationship and you like, oh, we in a relationship. Oh, he's calling me every day. Oh, he's waking up, morning text, good morning text, this and that. Oh, please. He's just baiting you, like reeling you in. That's a bait. That's how they bait you. They don't really do that. They probably laying next to their girlfriend or whatever, the person that they mooching off of, that's sick of them, kicking them out, and now they met you, so they like, oh, I found me a new dummy. That's what it is. That's what these people do. Like, come on. These energy vampires, they dirty. They got their dirty stuff in their pants. Men and women both. They all dirty. And they will play you. Wake up, people. Wake up. Listen. So when you with someone and you like, oh, they doing this, that's right, wake up. You should basically, yes, baby, wake up. Let them know. Say it loud for the people in the back. Yes, my baby said it. Wake up. So my thing is, just stop letting these people fool you. Because if you think someone's gonna treat you like, basically, if you didn't have a dad and they start treating you nice and you got daddy issues, mommy issues, look, you're gonna continue to have them. It's not gonna go away just because you met this person and you think it's so nice. No, people change. You have to watch a person, get to know them. That's why they say don't jump into things. If you jump into something, you're gonna jump right out. That's what I feel. So Stop, you know what I'm saying? Stop setting yourself up for the fail. It's like you setting yourself up to basically get rejected. Because a person will see that you caring and you nice, and they will take it kindness for weakness. It's been proven for centuries. People do it all the time. And every time I try to put some faith into somebody that's a loser, they show me like they're a loser. Like, girl, stop. So I've given up on that. Forget that. The last person that was my test, he was like my ultimate test. And I see why. Because God won't bless you with what you're supposed to have, like your riches and your wealth and whatever, if you have like a leech around you. Like if you have like a nasty person or like an entity attached to someone that you sleeping with or you with, God is not going to show up. Sorry, honey. So you're mistaken. If you feel like you have this because of this person, if you get something from somebody and you use them, you're going to lose it. So enjoy it while it lasts, honey, because you didn't get it the right way. That's why they say, like, don't bite the hand that feeds you. Don't do it. But people do it all the time. That's why they get karma. That karma be so sweet. You know why? Because I always see when karma hits people that have wronged me, and that's why I be laughing. That's why I sit back and watch. I sit back and observe. So if you want to try to think you playing somebody, please play yourself. Play cards, baby. Play cards, play checkers, play dice, please, idiots. But anyway, it's not about me, that's about you. Stop having high expectations, because you'll only set yourself up to get hurt. Like, if you think the person that is cheating on you constantly is going to stop cheating, they're not. You're letting them cheat, they're a cheater. You met them as a cheater, they're going to keep cheating. That's just how it is. He not gonna change, she not gonna change. That's what they are. Like, let them go. You supposed to see this a lesson. You was put into their life, or they came, you attracted them because you have to heal that part of you that lets people walk all over you. Like, you have to know your worth. That's why they came into your life, and you keep on letting them know that you ain't worth nothing. Because if you let somebody continually cheat on you and keep coming back and using you and giving you STDs, STIs, whatever they give you, I don't know, dirty cooch and dirty wee-wee, then that's on you, honey. That's on you. Like, it's your problem, because you made it. Like, come on now, you let them do it. Ain't nobody forced you, put a gun to your head. You the one lay down and let them do it. So deal with it. Anyway, I don't know, y'all need to stop. I just had to come on and let y'all know. But I'm about to order my Dunkin'. Let me calm down.
Yes, can I help you?
Hi, honey. Can I get a small iced caramel coffee with 4 pumps of caramel, 2 creams, and whipped cream?
Okay.
And extra ice.
Got it.
That's it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm back. Listen, stop with the foolishness. I'm about to pay, so hold on. Don't make a permanent decision based on temporary emotions. That's the saying. So we out here painting. Okay, I'm back. So this is what you do. Don't have expectations for people, because people have to show you who they are. People are not what you think they are. So stop thinking everyone is like you. If you're a nice person, everyone is not nice. Some of them are nasty. Some of them are nice, or some of them been hurt. Sometimes you get hurt people, so they come off like mean, or they deflect on you. So like they project, project their nastiness on you. So if somebody hurt them, they're gonna do the same to you, but they not knowingly. It's like unknowingly, like their subconscious is doing it. So just watch who you get with. Ask them they past. Talk about your past, people. Find out where this person came from, like how they got brought up. Do they have like any upbringing? Like, some people don't have morals, ethics. Please find out where these people come from. Some people are for the streets, and they belong on the streets. Leave them in the streets, not in your bed. Stop jumping in the bed with these people like so early. It's crazy. Y'all have to like really.
Yes,
if you meet someone and you think they like the bee's knees, they everything, just like feel them out first. You know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes I give people 3 months to mess up. I don't care. 3 months. Like, and I'm always right. A woman will mess up in 3 months. Like, if they really good, they could go like 3.5. But no, The third month, they mess up. That's 90 days. That's like a job. They give you 90 days probation. That's me, honey. I give you 90 days probation to mess up, to show me your true self, because you can't keep up the facade of a nice person, a wholesome person, if you are a DICK. If that's what you are, that's what you're gonna only know how to be. You have to keep the seatbelt on, baby. That's the law. Follow the law. So like I'm saying, hold on. So this is what you do. Just feel them out. Don't just jump into anything. Don't think somebody is gonna be nice. Just look at what they show you. Okay, my thing is, like, my what I say, my saying is, my go-to phrase is, let a person show you who they are and believe them. So if they show you that they're a liar, that's what they are. Don't leave them. If that's what you like, okay, that's what you like. You must be a liar too. If someone doesn't have nothing in common with you, get rid of them, because opposites attract, yes, but no. If somebody is opposite of you and they nasty, get rid of them. It's not that serious. Like, don't fiend to be in a relationship with somebody. I hate these people. They always on your butt. Like, why do you have to be so close to me with your dirty little car? Anyway, so my thing is, can you see the person in the back? They so close. So another thing is, don't be so quick to, like, say you're in a relationship. Like, you're not in a relationship if you just had intercourse with somebody. And stop sleeping with people so fast, because that's a soul contract. No matter if you believe it or not. People want to talk about they religious and all this blah blah, but they reading from black books, the black magic books. Hello, stop with the foolishness. Those be the people that do it the most, because they jealous and insecure, and they want your life and your light. So stop dulling your light for anybody. All right, so y'all, protect your energy, protect yourself. Stop having expectations. Don't have none. Okay, don't have any expectation for someone. Just go with the flow. Let them show you who they are, and judge someone by their actions, not their words. That's what I was saying. That's my saying. Judge a person by their actions, not their words. All right, guys, light and love. Thanks for coming with me, subscribing to my channel, liking, sharing, donating, and my Etsy shop is Nova's Kitchen. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.